Hey Tripp, I was just outside and I think Santa left you something outside.
Oh my
Should we go
goodness.
see? Okay, let's go see.
I can do it.
No, I don't think you'll need that.
Leave that here.
Oh, it's not hooked up.
Okay.
That's okay.
Well,
Come on.
Let's go.
Hold mommy's hand. Hold mommy's hand.
Oh, you don't need that too.
You might need that.
Come on. Hey, bud. Here. Let's go see what Santa left you.
Let's go see.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my.
Oh,
Oh,
what
a pretty
did
blue
Santa
truck.
leave you?
It's just a truck.
Goodness.
That's a pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
What a pretty truck.
Go get in it.
Go get in it.
Oh.
No,
You had that bird flying?
Yes,
I
we
hear
have a
that bird flying. Wow.
I can push it. I will not push it.
Look. Look, you got a radio right here.
It's all for you.
And look.
All right, 45.
Put your foot. Here, we'll put it in reverse and then put your foot down. Push the gas right there.
Wow.
Push the gas. Push.
Oh, look, I can back it up.
Yeah, go ahead. Back it up. Push the gas down.
Yes.
Fast. We are.
Remember how you done the G? Mash your pedal down. Hold it.
It's taking
Hold it down.